Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about these sites which are going to blow your mind. Yes, these are the top free AI courses sites available for you that you can take advantage of to get everything needed for you if you are at beginner level, intermediate level and want to learn anything related to artificial intelligence courses without spending your penny. Then definitely you are at the right place. And if you want to learn something related to digital era today that is going to change your life, like digital skills, apps, websites, AI integration, AI learning, then definitely you need to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Let me talk about those websites. I'm going to give you those sites link also in the description so that you can go through it and everything will be provided there. You do not need to worry about anything. For example, the very first site you will get here, now this is the AI for beginners. That's by Microsoft. Yes, that course is going to change your life because that is for AI for beginners. You'll get everything. Now it is supported by all of the languages, and what you will get from this curriculum of the AI for beginners, you'll learn a lot of things like deep learning, neural networks, and everything is here. The content, as you can see here, introduction to AI, the history, the symbolic AI, the neural network, the computer vision, the natural language processing, the techniques, everything. Now each lesson is everything here. Now you just need to complete it, because when you will complete it, you'll get a complete understanding about what the curriculum or the syllabus actually consists of in AI for beginners. Now that's going to change your life. Everything is here written, and that's the first one. Number 2 website is what is generative AI today. Generative AI has been in very demand. Now we have to learn humans and machines supervising. Now we have to learn about generative AI, and that has been demand. And when you click on this site, this is by LinkedIn. For example, you'll see there are a lot of stuff related to it. The syllabus which is here, the chapters which are here, and the conclusion. You'll explore everything related to what is generative AI. Another one is the ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers. Now you'll also get an accomplishment certificate also if you want to get it. Now that's the time also is mentioned here. Now that's by DeepLearning.AI. This is a website. You will learn prompt engineering. You will learn how to use LLMs. You will get a hands-on practice using the OpenAI API. Now when you learn ChatGPT prompt engineering, now that will going to change your life. The way you use your LLM, the way you use GPT, everything is there, and you will understand. That is going to be beginner friendly approach for you to understand this cutting edge technology. Another one is again by DeepLearning.AI. Now that's generative AI for everyone. The first one was ChatGPT prompt. Now here is generative AI essentials. Yes, that's for the beginner level. 5 hours. You will see the 32 video lessons. You will get a certificate also, and that is going to change your life. The way you look at how artificial intelligence works today, everything that has been there in your mind related to the questions, but everything is here included in this course. Another one is how to build LLM apps. Now LLM apps have become so important today that people are actually getting more and more accustomed to it, because that is very easy. But how to make it, if you are looking, because that is in demand today, and businesses are offering so many avenues for people who actually learn this and who actually know about it. So for example, everything is here. You'll get the content, the step packages, and everything in this course. That is how to build LLM, that you can try it here, and that's by single store. Another one is the CognitiveClass.ai provided the fundamentals of AI, because before you even start, you have to know that what is actually a AI, and everything is here because that's a beginner friendly approach. And what makes it different from others is that you will not only learn artificial intelligence, you will learn machine learning, NLP, deep learning, computer vision, self-driving cars, ethics, bias, regulations, and trust, and so many things. That is going to change your way you look at AI learning, because everything is included into this one course or fundamentals of AI. Another one is the generative AI. Now that's introduction level generative AI, because that's provided by Google, so it has a good advantage for you, because you will get a batch. Everything is here. You'll get the lesson. You'll also get a quiz here to check your knowledge as well, which is definitely one of the perks of Google skills. Another one is the CognitiveClass.ai, which is prompt engineering, which I earlier also told you that it is so much in demand. But here you will get the certificate also. You will not only learn about prompt engineering, you will learn artificial intelligence, generative AI, LLM. And that is going to be a full advantage to you, learning about all of this whole process of completing it. Now as you can see here, these are the modules which will be there for you to get an advantage of it. That's because it's all free, the top free AI courses to you. That is going to change the way you were learning courses earlier by paying it and getting nothing. but here you will get free of cost. Generative pre-trained transformers, which is the GPT. Obviously, learning about GPTs are very important today. You'll explore language models, you'll explore how to build, access them, and use LLMs responsibly. Now this is here 12 assignments, shareable certificate also that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. That definitely will help you to get access or be in front of the recruiters to hire you. So these were all of the courses. Now that's my Coursera, which is another advantage. Now this was all that I wanted to share with you regarding the courses, free AI courses to you. And if you want to learn and get more courses, you can comment down below. I'll provide them, because that is going to change everything, your perspective toward learning, because freely available courses are already they are provided by big businesses for you. So that was all about today's video. Hope you have learned a lot of things, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Do like and comment. We'll meet you in the next video.